Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are staying home, keeping yourself safe. We know that for a long time, about 5 or 6 months, you are staying at home. We are unable to conduct classes directly for COVID-19 pandemic crisis. But for your betterment or to keep up you with your studies, we are continuing online classes. And hope you are enjoying the classes, you are following the classes regularly. Now, today I am going to talk about English first paper, part B, writing part, question number 10. This class is especially for the students of class 9 and 10. Those who are the students of 9, they have a limited syllabus, but the students of class 10 have no syllabus because they are the candidate of SSC upcoming 2021. However, this is the question number 10. My topic is describing graph or chart. This question carries 10 marks. Actually, in part B, there are 5 questions. Among them, this is also one. Now, we need to know how to describe a graph or chart. Here on the board, you can see that there is a graph indicating literacy rate in Bangladesh. In the vertical line, there are different rates of literacy rate. For example, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, and then 90%. And in the horizontal line, there are 6 years mentioned, and each year there is the literacy rate shown on the board. Before going to describe this graph, I want to mention a special thing, and that is, for the better definition or describing, you need to know these basic 3 things, and that is how you can analyze this graph or describe this graph. First, you have to describe given informations. Here are some informations. You have to describe this first. After describing, in the second situation, you have to compare with another. This is the highlighting part, because you are asked to highlight. And finally, you have to write comment or conclusion, that is, you have to close the writing. But before closing, you have to give your comments. Now, let's start. How can we describe this graph? You can start in this way. Here is a graph describing the literacy rate of Bangladesh in different years, or from 1972 to 2012. In 1972, the literacy rate in Bangladesh was 47%. In 1982, after 10 years, it increased and it became 52%. So, the number of increasing percent was 5. In 1992, after another 10 years, it became 65%. So, this is also a very good thing for increasing the number of literacy rate. In 2002, it became 66%. So, the increasing rate was not so satisfactory. In 2007, it reduced and became 60%. In 2012, it became 75%, that is, fluctuated a huge percent. So, this is the information given in the graph. Now, we can compare with one another. In 1972, the rate was 47. In 1982, the rate became 52. So, during these 10 years, it increased 5%. In 1992, the literacy rate increased and it became 65%. So, from 1982 to 1992, during these 10 years, it increased 13%. In 2002, it increased 66%. But during these 10 years, the increasing number was not satisfactory at all because the increasing percent was only 1. The alarming situation became in 2007, that is, after 5 years, without increasing, it decreased 6%. Decreased, that is minus situation. But when it became 60% in 2007, the government of Bangladesh took a lot of initiatives to increase or for the development of literacy rate, and for that only within 5 years it became 75%, that is increased 15%. So we can say that where in 1972 the rate of literacy was only 47, in 2012 after 40 years it became 75%, near about double. Though in 2007 it decreased, and in 2002 it didn't increase a lot, but in 1982 and in 1992 the increasing situation continues and it fluctuated at a lot in 2012. So, the highest literacy rate was in 2012, 75%. The lowest rate was in 1972, 47%. And in the second position, the literacy rate was 66% and it was in 2002. In the fourth position or fourth situation, it became in 1990, so 65%. Though it increased in 1982, but it decreased in 2007. So, by analyzing the informations given this graph, we can say that in 2007, though the literacy rate decreased, but the continuation of increasing rate continues from 1972 to 2012. So we can say that, or we can comment or conclude that the literacy rate from 1972 increased continually, and hope within a very short time we will be able to increase this rate to 100%, and then we will be similar like Japan, China, Russia and many other developed countries. I hope by this time whatever I have described or said you have seen or followed, and sitting at home now, if you take your textbook and go through this graph 5 or 10 times, I hope you will need not to memorize, but you can realize. The final sentence or the last sentence I want to say is that the writing part of your question is given to test your capability or ability how you can write sentences freely in English. No more today. I will take some other classes day by day and hope you will follow that. Thank you very much.